Welcome to the 2025 Fall LTV Rally.
Here in beautiful Winkler, Manitoba.
On behalf of the ownership, management, entire team, Triple E Leisure Travel Events, we want to extend a warm welcome to Winkler, Manitoba.
Our goal throughout the course of this week is to make your Wednesday matter, to make your Thursday matter, and to make your Friday matter. So that whenever you leave here on Saturday, you're going to want to come back next year.
We've got nearly 150 leisure travel vans.
Over 250 people here at the rally.
From all over North America. The annual rally is a great place for folks to come learn more about their leisure travel van.
We have seminars. We've got Ford here, Mercedes-Benz, Firefly, Truma.
Owners can go on a factory tour of the Leisure Travel Vans factory.
We walk every single customer here at the rally through the entire factory on how we build the best motorhomes in the world. Plus, we get to have our meeting with our navigators for some great ideas that they have for future leisure travel van motorhomes.
And they can also participate in LTV open spaces.
Customers can show their leisure travel vans to everybody here at the rally.
Enjoy some great activities, good food.
The most important thing, food. We have lots and lots of food.
We have cooked some amazing food at our annual LTV cook-off.
We have our sous chefs cooking tonight. It's very exciting. We're going to cheer them on. 3 different cooks.
Coffee seminars with other brother roasters, a Dead Horse Cidery tour, shopped at the LTV pop-up store. We've had bonfires.
Everybody has brought their dogs. What would it be without having your canine friends when you're RVing in a leisure travel van?
My hope is that making the trek to Winkler has left you richer in every way through the experiences you've shared, through the culture and the spirit of LTV, and most importantly, through the precious friendships you've formed. These connections and memories are what make a journey so meaningful, and I trust you'll carry them for a long time after you head home.
Thank you so much for coming.
We want to thank everybody from coming from all over Canada in the United States.
A special thank you for everyone who made it out. We really loved hosting you here in Winkler, Manitoba.
We wish you safe and happy travels along the road, and we hope to see you at an LTV rally soon.